Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix PUBG Mobile sound not working problem. So guys, there are some solution to fix this problem. The first step to the solution is that you need to just click on this bottom right side arrow icon, this one, and after that click on settings. Now here you can see graphics and audio, click on it. And after clicking graphics and audio, here you can see audio, just click on audio. And after selecting audio, here you can see all the sound system are here. You can select Ultra if you have downloaded Ultra. And here you can see all the sound systems. You need to make sure that all these has been selected like this, and make sure that all these have to it max volume like 100%. You can also turn on background music if you want, but I don't like it because it sounds a lot. Now after that, if your problem hasn't solved yet, then just go to another solution, go back. Now after that, if your problem hasn't solved yet, then you can just go to your settings. Now from your settings, go to sounds and haptics. In the sound and haptics, make sure that you have turned this volume to the max level by your hand like this. You can also turn up volume from here, and if your silent mode is turned on, make sure to turn it off. So guys, these are the ways that you can fix your PUBG Mobile sound not working problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.